Hello from Chicago. Alan Knuckman, high above the trading floor at the CME Group, talking energy with the focus on crude oil. April crude contract backed off just a bit today, down $1.30. 61.70 was the finish. Now, we did have a lower high and a lower low that we saw yesterday, backing off as we've seen a essentially straight up move from that extreme low at $58 a barrel just a few sessions ago. Now, the actual numbers today came out with a bearish build a day after the API added nearly 1 million barrels to our inventory. Today it was EIA's turn. They reported 3 million barrel build for the week ending February 23rd, so that backed the market up a bit. We also saw a production fall, which is interesting in itself. So from 10.1 million barrels per day, it's backed off to 9.4. So that can be viewed as a bit of a positive, but we had crude oil essentially closing on its lows here today. Though on the demand side, now we've been waiting for the numbers in Japan and China to show some economic stability and the growth on the demand side from those markets, but we saw some industrial numbers come out today that may be putting that off further into the future. So I want to focus on the technicals. Let's look at the price action. And so this is now 2 positive weeks in a row coming into this week. So we gained $2.50 on that turnaround week, $2 last week, and yesterday we did get as high as $64.25, which is about $2.50 off the all-time highs at $66.66. So what's important here is if we've gone up from 58 to 64, that we hold that midpoint support at $61 on a weekly basis. So keep an eye and see how the markets react at this $61 on a weekly basis. Also, let's not ignore the macro market. We've seen the stock market come storming back. That's important, obviously, for assets to hold their gains. The S&P yesterday was within 100 points. The Dow was within 1,000 points, and the NDX was within 20 points of the all-time forever highs on January 26th. So that is a big comeback, and that supports the macro picture. So to summarize, we've got April crude oil today down $1.30, 61.70.